Hello. Hi, everyone. Good morning. In the previous session, we have seen a code base that launches the app on a real iOS simulator. As part of the today's session, we are going to see how exactly we can launch the code on an Android real device. For which, on the same documentation, you have this set of capabilities related to UI Automated 2. Let's copy all these things from here. Go back to your editor, create a new Java program demo 3 Android, and with the main method I'm creating, okay, demo 3 Android. Why? One second. Let me create a new class here, demo 3 Android with the main method. I have created it. And now I'm placing that piece of a code here. The UI automated two options. It's expecting the UDID. So what exactly the UDID of that particular device? So the point is, whenever you identified that particular device, whatever the name that it is populating, you can give it as a UDID for that particular device. So I'm deleting these lines of a code. I don't want all these lines. Okay, I don't want all these lines. And now here, the URL, the same way how you have a created for an instance for an iOS driver, the same way we are creating an instance for this particular Android driver. But here we need to, here we need to give some timeout, and here we need to give the capabilities like what is the device UDID and what is the app. So here, whenever I connected my Android device, I'm using a ADB space devices. I'm getting this UDID, whatever the device name that it is populated there in the terminal, I'm considering it as a UDID. And from my older scripts, I'm taking this particular app application location for this Android. So this is what the APK file location I have a given for it. So the only thing that I have done is I set the UDID and I set the app location part. Apart from that, as per the documentation, I haven't done anything. Let me try to run this program again with an Android chunk and let us see whether it is working or not. So the ultimate objective is here, it should launch this particular app on the device and it should wait for a few seconds and it should terminate it. I haven't shared my mobile instance here using a visor. As of now, the Appium settings was launched on my mobile and it got a killed. And now it's launching that particular app. See, you can see the complete logs here. So you may ask me, Surendra, how would I know whether the app got installed or not? See, guys, if anything got a fail, you can show up an error message here. See, the 200 itself, it is saying that the instance got executed successfully. For me, the execution was successful. See, and it's showing as everything is passed and it got terminated. So this is the way how exactly you can create an how exactly you can create a program. Done the deal. Thank you.